I got Air One. We already did a smoothie review, but now I'm gonna do a review of their chicken noodle soup. I couldn't pass this up. There's what it looks like, and I'm here with Olivia and Lauren. Hey. I consider myself a chicken noodle soup connoisseur, so I have very high hopes and expectations. We have lots of carrots and very thick noodles. It looks very good. I got a bite with a little bit of everything. Here we go. That's good. Good soup. Good soup. Wow. That's amazing. It's very flavorful. It's so good. I'm gonna want this for the rest of my life. Like, I'm gonna miss this forever. This is, wow. This is so good. Overall, Air One exceeded my expectations so much. Like, all of the food was so good. Infinity out of 10. Infinity out of 10. I have no words.